Welcome to the Phil Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 3:19 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is July 8th. Well, today we had a big move in COMEX copper, and it got up to almost $6 a pound. So that's a really significant move, and it was driven by the announcement from President Trump that he's going to impose a significant tariff upon it, 50%. And that might be even by the end of the week or even by the end of the month, we'll see. But it certainly helps to put a premium on the US copper price. Then there was also pronouncements about a potential delay on the very significant tariff, perhaps 200% on pharmaceuticals from US companies that are being manufactured overseas and then re-imported into the USA. Obviously, that's a challenge for the market, but they're being offered a timeline well in excess of a year in order to build manufacturing capacity in the USA. We'll see whether that happens or not, or how that it tends to be negotiated. Then we also had the president saying that August 1st is the last deadline. Now, we've heard that before, and I think markets are pretty much willing to accept that maybe it might be, but the chances are that it'll be delayed further. So there wasn't really a very large move in respect to that. But the stock market was down a little. The bond market was a little bit softer as well. The dollar index, which had been quite firm yesterday, was pretty much unchanged. But then we had gold prices. They fell about $40 intraday, closing out the day about $33 on the downside. And then we've also had a bit of in the wider commodity markets. So oil prices remain quite steady. And that is on the back of a second ship in the Red Sea being hit by Houthi uh, missiles, and two sailors have been killed. So that is the second ship in only 24 hours. So it's a rather significant development. And then in the soft commodities, well, Arabica coffee was up today about 7 cents, and we had a mild rally, a little bit of steadier action in Robusta. Orange juice followed through on the upside from yesterday. Rough rice prices were up about 25 cents. And then we also had a steadier environment in European gas prices. Then when we think